Sarah is the HR director at Standard Care, who employ around 200 staff nationwide. Sarah has an overflowing email inbox with questions from her CEO, her CFO and COO. The questions are about staffing, training and how to support the growth of the business. In addition, she has a flagged email from the finance manager highlighting the change in regulations around apprenticeships and the Apprenticeship Levy. Sarah has had this email flagged as urgent for weeks, but hasn't even been able to open it yet. She's dreading the extra workload for her and the training team. Sarah realises it will involve more admin and additional responsibilities and knows that the team has no time or capacity. Appreciating that there are considerable changes in the apprenticeship sector, she opens the email, goes to Google to do some research, and discovers the hidden wiring behind it all. This isn't as simple as it looks. There's no way Sarah and her team have the resources to tackle this. Sarah is incredibly emotionally intelligent and is aware that this is going to have considerable impact on her and her team. She also knows that if she doesn't get to grips with this, her department's performance will be judged. It will cost the business money, and they won't have the funds to train the right staff for future growth. As the saying goes, everything starts with a conversation. Talk to us. We will work with you to unravel and maximize the opportunities for you. Think apprenticeship, think pathway.